Meaning of ex libris.
Ex libris.
Ex libris.
Ex libris.
Ex libris. Ex libris is a Latin term that translates to from the books of. It's often used to denote ownership of a book or collection of books. A bookplate bearing the phrase ex libris is typically placed inside the cover of the book, along with the owner's name or initials. This practice dates back several centuries and was particularly common among wealthy individuals and institutions with extensive libraries. These bookplates served as both a reminder of who owned the book and a way to identify it if it was lost or stolen.